Good evening, everybody, and welcome to today's video, which is an early sneak peek of OpenBOM for Priority ERP. Got a bill of material open here. It happens to be my quadcopter. I'm going to send this to the Priority ERP. I've authenticated using the authentication tab, and I've gone ahead and mapped a few priorities. Again, keep in mind early release here, and I've mapped some of those properties over, and I'm just going to send this BOM to Priority. OpenBOM is going to drop through each one of the items, pick up all the properties, images, files, and things that I've specified in the setup, and send it over to Priority. All right, now that we're done, we're going to follow the link, and we'll sign into Priority if we need to. And here we have the SW5001 bill of materials with all the information, item information, parts, pricing, links, everything that we've mapped over to Priority. So I think if you are using Priority, you'll know that you look in the inventory part catalog area to see this information. So again, sneak peek, this will be out probably for production in early January. Merry Christmas, everybody. Thanks.